Okay, I'm going to make a nice bootable menu for a C64 disk using Turbo Menu Maker, available at commodore.software. So I've got the Turbo Menu Maker disk in there, and I'm going to load it up. Okay, it's asking to place the disk I want to make the menu on into the drive, so I'm going to do that. Okay, and it's going to go through every program that it finds and ask you if you want it to be included in the menu. If you do, hit Y for yes. 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 No. 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 And yes. And when you're done, press return and it'll save the menu to the disk. Okay, I'm going to do a soft reset, and then we can see if the menu program is on the disk. I'll load up the directory. And the menu program is there, so let's load it up and test it out. Okay, here's my new menu, and it only includes the programs I selected. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.